Hello everyone, this is a tutorial video on how you can create your own website or online store using sitesplace.com even if you don't have any knowledge of website building. Basically, sitesplace.com is an AI powered website builder that helps students, creators, freelancers, businesses and e-commerce sellers to create their website without any coding and designing. So let's begin. The very first step is to open sitesplace.com in your Chrome browser. This is the home page of sitesplace.com. Here, you can create your website directly from your existing online presence by linking your Instagram, TikTok, website, GitHub, or Linktree account. But what if you don't have any social media platform or existing online handle? Don't worry, Sitesplace has got another solution for this as well. Just scroll down on the home page and click on Enter Nari. See, Nari is an easy to use website building tool that helps you create website or online store without any coding or designing. It is especially designed for students, freelancers, and small business owners who want to get online easily and quickly. Once you click on Nari, a new page. This page will open where you can see an option Start Free Build My Store. Simply click on this button to begin creating your website. The process is simple, beginner friendly, and takes only few minutes to get started. So this is the next page. Here we need to fill in some basic information about our store. First, enter your store name, which will be the name displayed on your website. Second, enter a slug, which will be the part of your website's URL. Make sure to choose a easy and unique name and slug so that anyone can access your website and identify your website easily. Once you have filled all the required details, review the information to ensure everything is correct. After that, click on the next button to continue further. See, Sitesplace offers 15 to 20 professionally designed templates for different types of businesses and store styles. Each template has its own layout, scheme, and designing elements. In all these templates, Mason is the most suitable for our store. It provides a clean, elegant, and modern design that creates a professional appearance, keeping the user experience simple and attractive. So select Mason template, scroll down and click on the next button to process more further. After selecting the template, we reach the section Describe Your Business. Here we need to provide a brief description of our products, services and target customers. Sitespace uses this information to automatically generate professional content of our store. Once you have filled the required detail, you can simply click on Generate and Create to proceed with the store setup. Great! Your store has now been successfully created. From this point, you can start customizing your store according to your requirements and branding preferences. And now, let me take you to the major sections and domains available for the customization. Now, the very first domain that we will explore is settings. In settings, there are various sections for the customization. Starting from the store details. Store details is where you manage your informations like store name, store link, and contact number. The branding section helps you create a unique identity by adding store logo, favicon, fonts, and color theme. Now, the navigation and menu allows you to organize your store structure. Then, catalog and fields let you define product information such as description and specifications to showcase products effectively. In categories, you can categorize your similar products together, helping customers browse easily. Then, the discounts section enables you to create coupon codes and professional offers. In sales and boosters, it provides marketing tools to increase conversions and maximize revenue. The checkout section allows you to customize the purchase process. And next, in the shipping section, you can configure delivery methods and shipping areas for your customers. Now, in payments and invoices, it helps you manage payment gateways and invoice generation for seamless order processing. And after this, pages and policies helps you create important pages of policies and terms and conditions to build trust and provide essential information. Then, SEO and sharing helps you improvise your store's visibility on search engines like Google. Then, tracking and code allows you to integrate analytics tools and tracking pixels and custom code to monitor performance and enhance functionality. And at last, it's integration, which lets you connect third-party apps and services to extend your store's capabilities with marketing, logistics, accounting, and more. Okay, so these were the sections in settings that helps you customize your online store. After settings, this is the design section where you can customize the look and structure of your online storefront. Here, you can add new sections, rearrange the existing ones, or can edit the sections like hero banner, featured collection, product grid, gallery, and more. Once you are satisfied with the changes, simply click Save to apply your changes. After design, the analytics section provides insights into your store's performance. You can track visitors, sales trends, popular products, traffic sources, and customer behavior to make informed business decisions and improve growth. In messages section, you can view inquiries, respond to questions, and manage all customer conversations from one convenient location. Then the products section is where you manage your entire catalog. You can add your new products, edit existing ones, organize collections, update pricing and inventory, and keep your store catalog up to date. This is the orders section where you can manage all customer orders from one place. Then this is the home dashboard where you can get a quick review of your store. With these features, you can easily build, customize, or manage your store from one place. I hope this tutorial helped you. Thanks for watching and all the best for your online business.